Visit Atomic Wallet website. Download Atomic Wallet for your device. I'm going to install the Windows version. Install it and then open it. I have opened my Atomic Wallet. For creating a wallet, click on Create a Wallet. For restoring your previous wallet, click Restore from Backup. First, enter a password for your Atomic Wallet. Open Wallet. It gives you some words that those words are your private keys and recovery phrase. I don't show it for the security reasons. These are the coins that Atomic Wallet provides. This is a coin logo, coin name, coin ticker, coin value in your currency, price of a coin, 24 changes for a coin. By this menu, I can add coins and tokens which I need. Just click on a token or coin and it will be activated. Click on it to be deactivated. And click on apply. It will be saved. I don't want. I click on cancel. If you want to add a token based on Ethereum that is not listed in this wallet, you can use this button. You can update your wallet here. This is for exiting a wallet, support, and in settings, this is Atomic Wallet membership. I can buy Atomic Wallet token, airdrop, security keys, and here is private keys. This is those words I have told you at the first of the video. You should keep them in a safe place. In a staking section, it's possible to earn interest on your coins by storing coins and tokens in the Atomic Wallet. This is the history. Because it's a new wallet, there is no history. Here I can buy cryptocurrencies, buy these fiat currencies. In exchange, I can exchange tokens and coins to each other. There is a minimum exchange for each token and coin. This is empty again because it's a new wallet. Again, I can change my currency. And it shows the value of this wallet in the currency I will choose.